Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Zkteco model and current firmware. This matters because menus and features differ. Once done, power the unit using DC12V or PoE. Do not assume USB power will suffice. Next, plug a network cable or USB and assign an IP via DHCP or static. This allows the PC software to discover the device. Make sure to note the device serial and admin password now, because you will need them for admin login and initial configuration. You should enroll users immediately, because enrollment affects all downstream rules. Use clean, dry fingers for fingerprints and consistent angles for face captures. While enrolling, assign a numeric user ID and place each person into an access group. This determines schedules and door rights. Once users are loaded, configure verification modes and match threshold to balance security and convenience. Also set access schedules, holidays, and anti-passback logic so entries behave predictably. Doing this, now you finalize by integrating the device with ZK Access or your chosen third-party platform. Use TCP/IP for real-time events or USB for batch transfers. Then run test enrollments and simulated door events. Watch the log to confirm unlock signals, user ID, and timestamps. Time sync is critical. If something fails, first check power and Ethernet cabling, then confirm firmware and match thresholds. As a key troubleshooting tip, if enrollment repeatedly fails, clear the template for that slot, re-enroll the finger or face, and reboot the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.